Now, let us discuss about the importance of pH in our daily life. So, we need to know the pH values of the substances, of all the substances which we live in and which we live with. So, the pH value of plants, animals and atmosphere for their healthy growth should be in a narrow range. So, living organisms can survive only in a narrow range of pH, that is from 7.0 to 7.8. If the value is less than 7.0 or greater than 7.8, then it becomes difficult to survive for living organisms. And we know that acid rains are fallen due to the formation of sulfuric acid and nitric acid from the pollutant sulfur dioxide and nitrogen dioxide released from the air. And if the acid rain contains the pH value less than 5.6, and we know that if the pH value is very less, then the H+ ion concentration is more, which is the indication of increase in the acidic nature. So increase in acidic nature makes it difficult for the survival of living organisms. And if this acid rain falls in the sea animals, then the survival of aquatic animals also becomes difficult. And here we can see the formation of acid rains due to sulfur dioxide and nitrogen dioxide. And if acid rains fall in the seas, then no fish, no frogs and few insects and asphagnum mass. So here we can see that there will be no fish and no frogs, as the acid is contaminating the water, and the animals which live in water are facing the difficulty due to acid rains. And the plants also grow in a specific range of pH, and the pH range of soil in which the plants should grow should be in a healthy range, such that the plants are not destroyed. And pH in our digestive system. So in our digestive system, HCl is produced to kill the germs of the food and to digest the food without any germs. So this hydrochloric acid kills all the germs in the food we take in and digest the food without destroying the stomach. And if this acid which is produced in our body is having a pH less than the required range, if the pH is less, that is, if the pH is less in our stomach, then acid is excess in our body, which causes acidity. So acidity is caused due to the increase in acid, and if the decrease in pH value is very less, then the acidity is caused, as it destroys the lining of the stomach, and due to which acidity is caused and the pain is more. So to prevent this acidity and to prevent this acidity, milk of magnesia. So antacids like milk of magnesia is used, which are bases which neutralizes excess acids, and many acidity patients use milk of magnesia. So here we can see the diagram of our body, our digestive system, which should have the range of pH in these ranges, and the stomach should not have the pH value very less, that is more acidic, which causes acidity. And pH in tooth decay and self-defense of animals. So tooth decay, we take many food and we bite the food with our teeth, and there are many acidic substances which we take, like orange juice, etc. So if the tooth has a pH of less than 5.5, then the tooth decay starts, and the tooth is corroded due to the acids produced by the bacteria in mouth. And many bacteria we know that produce acids, and these acids become more acidic when the pH is less than 5.5. and then it starts to corrode the tooth. So cleaning the teeth and cleaning the teeth with paste, which is a base, can neutralize the excess acid and prevent tooth decay. So to prevent tooth decay, we need to clean the teeth regularly with the paste, which is a base. It neutralizes the excess acid and prevents the tooth from decaying. So here we can see the tooth decay due to excess acid in it. And we know that honeybees leaves acid. So when we feel the pain when we got bit by a honeybee. So when we got stung by it, we feel the pain when honeybee stings us. So when honeybee stings, it leaves acid which causes pain and irritation. So it is the self-defense of honeybee like honeybees. So there are some plants which also have self-defense, and honeybees also leave acids. To neutralize this acid in our body, we use mild bases like baking soda on the stung area, which gives relief. So there, the mild soda, which is a base, neutralizes the acid and gives relief to the pain. So the pain is less if we use mild base to the acid. So here we can see they are using some paste. When honeybee stings there and leaves some acid and go, then the acid causes pain and irritation. So to get relief from this pain, he is using some paste which is a base which neutralizes the acid, and we can also use mild bases like baking soda which gives relief.